Number 10. Here we're going to look to simplify, so we have to follow the rules of PEMDAS, okay? Parentheses, exponent, multiplication, and division. Okay, we have 36 over 3. That does simplify to make 12. Bring down the x. Okay, that does simplify. Nothing happens to 3y minus, bring down that minus. 2 squared is 2 times 2. That becomes the number 4. Bring down the x, bring down the plus y. Okay, so there I did the division and then I did the exponents here. Right, now I can start combining some like terms. I have the x and the x here, so 12x and 12x and negative 4x, that gets me 12x and negative 4x, that gets me 12x and negative 4x, that gets me 8x. Okay. Then here I have 3y and 3y, that becomes 6y. All right, there you go. Next, let's see here, 3y, nothing happens to it. 7z, nothing happens to it. Ooh, 4 squared, that is 4 times 4, that makes 16. Y, look, there is a negative 1 here that we have to distribute. That is negative 1 times negative x. And then you have the negative 1 times the negative 10. Right? Nothing happens to these. These remain the same, so we bring it down. Negative 1 times negative x gets you positive x, right? A negative times a negative becomes a positive. Negative 1 times negative 10, that gets you a positive 10. Let's see if we can combine some like terms here. We have the y's here, the y's here, and that's it. 3y's and 16y become 19y. What about the z? Anything happens to the z? Nope, it's just there. Okay, 7z. Anything happens to the x's? I can make this a, let's say, a triangle here. Nothing happens there. That's just an x. The constant is plus 10. Okay, so you can write this in any order you want. All right, but you must have those 4 terms. Next, let's do this one. Nothing happens to that 3x plus, oh, we should do what's inside that parentheses. Negative 2, nothing happens to that, but let's do 5 squared. 5 squared, it is 5 times 5. That becomes 25. All right, so inside it is a 25 for the y squared, for the 5 squared. Bring down the x, that stays right there. Bring down the 3x. Let's do what's inside the parentheses. Negative 2 plus 25, that gets you a positive 23x. So we have 3x plus 23x, okay? 3x plus 23x, this becomes 26x. Okay, here, this part when you're wondering, Mr. S, why can the parentheses disappear? Because this is multiplication. 23 times x becomes 23x. Okay, that's why the parentheses disappears. All right, there you go. That is how you simplify.